Hello friends, welcome to my channel and I hope you all are doing good. Like always, I'm back again with another topic to discuss, and today's topic is very unique and informative. I believe very few people would have covered about this topic on YouTube. I thought I'll take this opportunity to have this bring it on for all of you. Today I'll talk about how one should feel confident in hotels, restaurants, bar, nightclubs, all of these places. Mostly, I would say maximum people, while they are being invited for birthday events, anniversary events, weddings, family day dinners, team lunches, team dinners, etc., been invited for 4-star, 5-star hotels, standalone restaurants. We all look so tensed, including me. It was the same case with me also. Before I made myself well aware of the facts as to how one should be confident or behave before they enter into any of these places. So, what's most important is one should be well aware of the place where they are visiting for that night or for that lunch, or it is team dinner, team lunch, whatever may be the occasion. So, it's really important for someone to be knowing the restaurant name before they visit, or the hotel's name, the occasion they are celebrating or they've been invited for. Before they go into that place, you might just as well go to Google and see how the place looks, what are their ratings, what reviews have people posted on the Google page for the restaurant or for that hotel. You can also go to TripAdvisor for that ways. So all of this will help individuals like us to know a little more before we enter in. What sort of cuisine the restaurant serves, where is it located, how many years back the restaurant was built or was opened, or it is in Hyderabad, how many chains do they have, how many other restaurants do they have in Hyderabad. So if you do a bit of research before you go for your dining experience, it will only enhance your knowledge in terms of striking a conversation with the food and beverage professional who's coming to take your order. Because while you go and study the reviews, you will also get to know that what are the favorite preparations or the signature preparations of that restaurant has, or what are the unique standard procedures of that hotel, what they follow, and hence they are TripAdvisor number one hotel or a TripAdvisor number one restaurant in whichever city you are or in whichever country you are. So till the time you as an individual doesn't do a bit of research and homework before you enter into a place, and especially hotels, because it looks so flashy and all up to date techniques, and whether it is lifts, whether it is door which is getting opened while you arrive at the porch area, the lobby looks so flashy. You need to also see the signages and go to your venues. Let's say it's a banquet hall, who has invited you, which hall you're going, all of that you have to be clear from your part, so that once you enter, you're confident that yes, X is my venue and my host is Mr. Smith, for example, right? And you've been invited to a 5-star hotel for a wedding dinner. So you know the venue name, you know your host name, and you know where the location is and what cuisine are they serving, right? So if you know these basic things while you enter the hotel, mostly I believe one is completely sorted when it comes to, you know, having that personality carry for themselves what they are willing to feature in the hotel as well. Because at times, you know, people go and ask questions, and they feel they are landing up to some other place. Again they ask questions, they come back to the main venue. At times they are not aware of the menu which is there in the restaurant, neither the ingredients which have been used in that restaurant or in that preparation. So in these all cases, what one should do, one should be prepared and should have gone through the menu because it is readily available. Barring the buffet restaurants, the fine dining restaurant menu is readily available in Zomato. One should go check the reviews and all of that what I have previously described as to how you can boost your confidence while you are in a five-star hotel or a restaurant. All of this I should strongly believe that one should follow to be in a situation wherein you're asking for help, seeking for guidance. You rather can be a guide, or you can ask, what do you suggest? Shall I order for a dal makhni or shall I order a chicken 65? Both, I feel, have got very good reviews for your restaurant. The moment you say this to the food and beverage professional who's taking your order, you are on top of your things because you know the restaurant, you have read the reviews, and hence you're sitting in that restaurant. So he will not take to try undue advantage of yours. I'm not saying they do take, but then he will think that you are new to this place, and he can tell anything and you will buy it. And he can upsell a soup, he can upsell a appetizer, he can upsell the most expensive appetizer from the menu to you. You might like it, you might not like it, but if you have gone through the reviews, you know what cuisine it is and what are the favorite preparations, so you can deal with the person who's taking your order accordingly. And if you're reaching a hotel, it's a five-star hotel, and you're going there to talk to someone with regards to your upcoming event, that can be anything. So before you go there, you ensure that you have spoken to someone from the hotel, so that it's not an unfamiliar voice or a face to you, or maybe an unfamiliar name. So call up the hotel, ask them to make you speak to the someone who's responsible for managing banquet events in the hotel. Then you come to the hotel for a show round, have concrete flow of your event, like when is the date, how many guests, lunch or dinner, purpose of visit, how many of them are from your city, how many of them are traveling, would you be needing rooms in the hotel, all of these questions, how large a stage you're looking at, who will be the one who thinks can be a decision maker in order to close this event. All of these questions will be asked to you by someone in the hotel to ensure that that business gets closed in your hotel. So for you to feel confident and talk confidently about your event which you would like to conduct in any of the XYZ 5-star hotels, so read about it, do a bit of research about it, talk to few who have done events in the hotel in the past, ask them about their experience, and then finally come to the hotel to discuss in person about rates, codes, and show round. Similarly for rooms as well, go through Google, check about their room sizes, their amenities, and personally also you can come in and see the room physically by yourself to get that confidence, because at the end it is your event, you're inviting your guests, You have to be confident before you offer it to your guests to come and experience. So I hope today's video was informative in order to ensure that you are confident while you enter into any of the hotels or restaurants in your city. On this note, thank you so much. Have a happy weekend. And to the viewers and subscribers, thank you. And the ones who are not subscribed to my channel and watching this video, please do subscribe and do not forget to hit the bell button so that you get my notification as soon as I upload the video on my channel. My name is Sudhir. My channel name is Training Guru Sudhir. Until then, keep smiling. Take care. Thank you.